So yeah, gonna be a nice and cruising lap with George and focus on driving the track. Good morning, comrades. I hope you're all well and staying safe and sane. And today we have a couple of interesting updates. Namely, as you can see, we have the new seats, so I want to try them out on the track, of course. But more importantly for this video, the Devil's Diner drive-thru, which was on the first reopening weekend of TF, was located at the Nürburgring Boulevard, has now been moved to actual Devil's Diner, to the main TF car park. So what I'm planning to do is getting no pancakes, unfortunately, right now, maybe tomorrow because it's already beyond breakfast time, but ordering a burger, and while they're preparing it, do a lap, then come back and pick it up. I think it's a very nice plan, don't you think so? So yeah, some other interesting updates. I might be going back to Croatia soon, like as of next week soon, if the border situation is going to be eased up, because currently there's 14 days of mandatory self-quarantine, which makes things difficult for me because I cannot, well, it makes no sense for me to go there to sit at home if I can sit at home here, if you know what I mean. Therefore, this situation needs to ease up slightly, and then I will be going back to Rimac, to like my apartment, to, yeah, just like to go back to the normal life, so to say. Very much looking forward to that. So in case that, if it happens, this means that this could be a very last lap with the Golf for the upcoming couple of weeks. And then we'll be back with new upgrades, etc. So that should be pretty cool. All right, approaching TF. Wanted to see if I have all my stuff on me. Okay, so this is the situation. You can just go here. As you can see, everything is locked off. So you just use this lane to go to your order, to place an order actually. So let's see if we can actually get some cheeseburger. Drive in here. There we go. I hope they're still open because TF is about to close. So let's see. That's going to be a big fail if they're already closed. I think that's it. I think tomorrow then. Let's go just do a lap then. Ah, hi. Kann man noch etwas bestellen, oder? Ah, okay. Okay, aber morgen wieder. Und gibt's morgen auch Frühstück oder nicht? Nur ab 11 oder so. Na, kommen wir morgen vorbei. Yeah, so as you can see, unfortunately they close at 6. This means we will have to come back tomorrow, but we have now George next to me, so we might go do a lap together. You follow me, I follow you. Yeah, I will not be able to keep up with you with your remap. Right, so in this case, we're gonna do a lap with George and his Golf and his Golf 4. The reason why I have a Golf 4 myself in the first place. And actually, like somewhere halfway through the lap, I will have to do I need to do a happy birthday wishes to someone who is very dear to me. So like there's going to be half of the lap will be cut out. Well, not half of the lap, but like one section, because I'm not going to include that in the video, and I wanted to have something like that. So I hope you still enjoyed today's video, and yeah, it makes things a bit interesting and different. Actually, you know what's funny? I realized that in this car, when you run air conditioning, it does drain power. Like I was running no aircon or even in eco mode, and then I put the air conditioning on, and then it was just like, nope. So with old cars you feel it, with the newer cars not so much. We measured it on Sub 7 Up a few years ago, and it was like 1.5 horsepower difference of air conditioning on versus air conditioning off. So, but yeah. So yeah, gonna be a nice and cruising lap with George. His car is remapped, so his car is stock 130 horsepower, whereas this one is like 100 or even below. And thereby he would already have in the back. Oh yeah, the invoice from the tires. Yeah. So his car would be in stock form already, having a lot more advantage, let alone with the remap. So that it will not make some noise. That's a problem with the old car, that's making noise everywhere basically. Good. All right, now I'm gonna do my happy birthday thing. All right, we are back again, already past where were we? Well, Willenberg Creek. So I did my happy birthday stuff. It took a bit longer because it was a yellow flag, so I didn't want to include that in the video. But what should I say? I'm sweating a bit because as I said, I'm running without air conditioning, but more importantly, the car is so easy to drive, because in the past I would be struggling with keeping myself obviously in position with having the stock seats, whereas now, yeah, it's so much better. So it's I should have done happy birthday somewhere else, because then you could see the effect of the seats in the twisty bits, like Hatzenbach, for example. Oh, we're doing some slipstreaming with George. That's awesome. Nice E30. Very cool. But yeah, it is what it is. It's a very nice day. Very cool. Unfortunately, we couldn't do a burger, but I'm probably going to do tomorrow a drive-through video. So you're going to have like kind of a 2 videos, more of the same. But yeah, what should I say? I don't know what to say. Yeah, that's the issue, because I think with this car, it's very boring to not to talk. You really want to say something, because the laps are, unless you're fully sending it, it's not that exciting to watch. However, a lot of you have enjoyed the slow laps, so maybe it's not bad at all. But I don't want to send this car too much, because obviously I still have to drive back to Croatia soon, probably. Dum, 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 dum. George, wait for me. I want to have a double shot in the carousel. Come on. Yes. Go on the brakes. Go on the brakes. Go on the brakes. Go on the brakes. There we go. Hopefully we'll have a nice shot, but we'll see later on Race Tracker. We'll have AMG GTR behind us coming in. Stay in the right and the indicator to the right. Let them pass. With this section, I always don't know if I should brake at all, because like if I go at least down a gear, then it's just gonna slow down. It's even now slowing down, even in 3rd gear. It is what it is. Slow tap on the brake, turning in, close to the curbstone, using all of the track because I paid for it. It's so much easier to drive with those seats, really. Like I can just like focus on driving the track. Thanks, bro. You're gonna wash my car after this lap. When this car is faster, I'm gonna do a payback for sure. I'm still speechless from what he did in Wipperman. It's ridiculous. Another thing is now with the stock seats, because I'm stuck so much in my seat, you feel the suspension and the body roll a lot better, or in that matter, a lot worse. So, yeah, you can feel how bad things are. And you have a lot more control over the car, obviously. I'm just going to avoid this one. No brakes, no brakes. I mean, don't brake into the corner. I still have my brakes, so. well, I guess that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this lap. It was definitely very interesting and very special, and for all the reasons. Sorry for the intercut, but there was nothing spectacular happening between anyway. So yeah, see you next time. See you tomorrow when we're gonna give it another attempt to do a Nürburgring drive-through. With actually ordering something, doing a lap, and then coming off. It is actually also the last lap of the day, so there we have it.